Specs. Description. Steering wheel, notes, 36 spline inner hub, OD, 17.5, steel spokes, mylar-plastic covered outer rim. Steering wheel for diesel and gas applications. Compatible with, replacement for Ford New Holland, 82016841, 8N3600, C5NN3600C, C7NN3600D, D2NN3600B, D6NN3600B. Compatible with, replacement for, Ford, New Holland 1800 Series 4-sill 58-60, 2000 Series 4-sill 62-64, 4000 Series 4-sill 62-64, 500 Series 4-sill, 501 Series 4-sill, 600 Series 4-sill, 601 Series 4-sill, 701 Series 4-sill, 800 Series 4-sill, 801 Series 4-sill, 8N, 900 Series 4-sill, 901 Series 4-sill, Jubilee, NA, NAB. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, we'll replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket steering wheel built to meet OEM specifications for Ford New Holland. Power source type. Electric. Verify the part fits before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Steering wheel 8N Ford tractor. Replace old wheel. Looks good.